In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to n8n. If you want to automate tasks between Asana and your workflows in n8n, the first thing you'll need is a personal access token from Asana. Once that's connected, you'll be able to use Asana as a trigger or action inside your automation. I'll walk you through the setup in a simple, clear way so you can get everything connected without confusion. To begin, open Asana and make sure you're logged into the correct account. From the Asana dashboard, look to the lower left side of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal settings and developer options. Next, click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, find the Apps section and open it. This is where Asana gives you access to app-related tools, including the Developer Console, which is what you need for creating a token. From there, click View Developer Console. In the Developer Console, look for the option to create a new token. Go ahead and create a new personal access token. As soon as the token appears, copy it right away and keep it somewhere secure for the moment, because you will use it in n8n. Since this token gives access to your Asana account for automation purposes, treat it carefully and avoid sharing it publicly. Now switch over to n8n. Open the workflow where you want to use Asana, or create a new workflow if you're starting from scratch. Once you're inside the workflow editor, add Asana as a trigger node. This is the part that allows n8n to listen for events or interact with Asana, depending on the setup you choose. After adding the Asana node, select the action you want to use. The exact options may vary depending on what you're trying to automate, so choose the one that matches your workflow goal. Next, connect your Asana account. If n8n gives you the option to connect Asana directly, use that. If it asks for a token, paste in the personal access token you copied from Asana. Then fill in the rest of the required details in the node, such as the workspace, project, task settings, or any other fields needed for your selected action. Once everything is filled in, review the configuration carefully to make sure the correct Asana account and workflow details are being used. That way, your automation will work as expected from the start. And that's it. You've now connected Asana to n8n, and you're ready to build automations using your Asana data.